themselves with NDC, and every day they insult virtually everybody against NDC. Every day. But you are happy. Every day you hail those people. They be a mudi atema timidity tribes for atem.
Those things.
And yet it is okay, but
Abusinya says I'm no kasa idea. Nana Jantuah on Insula Ababebo Supplement. Ni na efa hawa Ghana Police Service, any Ghana Army, any Ghana phone be efa so, any media houses personnel be so, the efa so. And I'm so Emma se Obama so or ye NPP communicator na or kasa Emma NPP hard one. Abusinya ya kwa kwache no ewo ni fie na ekwa na ye kwache we ewo ni fie no abusinya. Chese ne dan a wodamu ya tutu ne dan ne pro nyina chese ya kwa kwache no eno na eye Nana Jantuah ababebo Supplement because se ukona se unua na bojo se hia na wo so wasa nsuo asiwu dia because unim se efi ne so ana eba wo so enti obabedi nkomo akan sem akire John Dramani Mahama one na abanya abusua eni IGP yohono tete yes omo yina wa fire omo na eha Western Blog Media so message say na first time na wa subscribe e dia maye na wa share video nso ama wonu abi nso anya bi ati enti abusua nkomo a eye Nana Jantuah on Insula ababedi na chese Supplement any bume any message wa send ya ma John Dramani Mahama a o chiri mu a say Mahama ni niam papa oye ene botaye wona ni so opese oye ma Ghana fo no wanhwe ya amanfo wo akiri omo se na chi because how our military any police fo eye timanfo no abusunya entwani enti so obeye ne nema ya onye ne nema yi anye saa amanfo se na chi utwa koyo na obi nso se akire no enti ono ne de ekoso no oni police fo ana government enya adwene because omo tietia nkofo fa ahodie so abusunya papa ababedi nkomo a chese ono nso wa boss Supplement any bume a chese ano eden enti yenkotie
ye adwuma na yema omu kwan na omunye omu adwumadie abrante no nso I understand say abrante na okasa bibi fa Ira John Mahama ho no etuo nyina kasa wa adwo so kwa so Ajenkwana na whoever, I don't even know him, but I think some in the face. I think so. Oka bibi for helicopter no who say bibiana yemblemu John Mahama, and some no kai and need distasteful. Even management to crab a pass idea no watcho. And you see, I was say emrano tia say media can be bina in koya. Mamemfa emrano quickly na min be lines. Say Nana Jantuah can't say bina in koya. Emrano Article 162 Clause 6 clear there was say medium aye de kasa sensentroni bi ka bibia Clause 6 ne mame sensentroni bi ka bibina enkoya chapter 12 of the constitution ewo de ewo say oye in fact mame mboboni nyina so na memfa mra 6 na afi memma wu because I was a woman central for your Juma was ye. And to coffee bear me or Hanamin Kawina and confronted ye Juma dinase. Central for ye above for ye bet me a cabibia inquiry. But a man no so my quine near quine was say ye de na ye Juma ye. It's over Constitution now, chapter 12 of the Constitution, clear. It's never can brafed with Namin be lines no. Nti ene ma kire wa disua ni yesua se be ya wo central for yenso constitution no e ma yetumi mi ba ye de ye no. First one enie freedom and responsibility of the media. Number 1. Kofi, why you ready?
Nana.
Or say number 1, that is Article 162 Clause 1. Or say freedom and independence of the media are hereby guaranteed.
You say Nana e wo mrani mu no en central for anase ensenhwere adwuma no fa ahodie no nana bambo ewo ho.
2. Subject to this constitution and any other law not inconsistent with this constitution, there shall be no censorship in Ghana.
Nana enti wo se ejina sa emra yi so
sa mra kuni aye nyina ye bu no
emra
bia na and no e was emra bia no ene emra no ene ekọ there shall be no censorship kyerɛ sɛ untimi enimra sɛ obetimi aka sɛ na Jantuah ma ne nka wi ana wo nka wi censorship kyerɛ sɛ asɛm na opɛ sɛ ɔka no ye ma ɔkwa ma wo nka saa de no enimra kwa mu nti yɛwura John Mahama ntimi meka nkyɛm sɛ men nka wi there shall be no censorship in Ghana. 3. There shall be no impediment to the establishment of private press or media, and in particular, there shall be no law requiring any person to obtain a license as a prerequisite to the establishment or operations of a newspaper, journal, or other media for mass communication or information.
To us, Nana, and this say a work coincidence bia a basic nipa kwan say wontimi MBA ebia and central ejuma so no one kasa ne central ejuma ana mrabia nso ni ho a ese chichiri obi se ese wo chinchina ache no onya tumi krata bia ansan na wahye eye dawrubo krata dwumadie bi ase ana mpokura dawrubo a ekọ eye edom kese no ho nyina na edom eno ho no obenya tumi yitumi krata bi ansan na watumi ahyase ese wodi ho dwuma.
4. Editors and publishers of newspaper and other institutions of the mass media like Insure FM, Joy FM, Love FM shall not be subject to control or interference by government, nor shall they be penalized or harassed for their editorial opinions and views or the content of their publication.
Yosi nana omo ayesamufo ne omo a the rubokrata ahodo no wono esunsun so de ba monten no ene nyumaku ahodo a wono nyina ebo de rubo edwumadie omo ka de rubo dwumadie ne hu bi no wose nana aban eni hu tumi se wotietia wono dwumadie ni mu na afi nso ode asotwe bi ana se sebe otiete womo ewo edwumadie mu bra womo kire womo adwene ana se mpokura womo ede enoma bi abeto monten.
It's clear. Now, all agencies of the mass media shall at all times be free to uphold the principal provisions and objectives of this constitution and shall uphold the responsibility and accountability of the government to the people of Ghana.
And you will say, and the reward may no abribia womo ebe womo fa hudia wodi be kura enhyehyeye a eda honam emrakuni ne so na wono aboa hwe se aban ebebu nkonta akye adehye a wono edi won so no
enti yadwuma no ti de bia be make sure se comfort ti de adwuma hama yadwuma no now 6 na ehu hia me or say any medium for the dissemination of the information to the public which publishes a statement about or against any person shall be obliged to publish a rejoinder, if any, from the person in respect of whom the publication was made.
It was a sabia, ya den sembi ba bontin, and answer and true ni be den sembi ba bontin. Na sa semono etia ubia. Say the pakro de sa asem ba bonten ana sense hiro adwuma wo de ba bonten no ebesa aka sa asem ni biem atwe de asan na ni pakro a wo ka fa ne ho no wagina sa asem no so a atwe de asan
enti se wo kasa fa President John Mahama ho se waka bibia the same platform no enti na say maybe me use where the be man na Akufo-Addo we say about the same platform na me dey kind no esa say asem na me kind me twesan that is rejoinder enti say obi ka bibi na enkoya ye man na kwanya say enye no krede a twesan na wantwe ansan a eno na utimi de ne court enti these are the processes. You don't just say Rambo style. No, what pick you will be. No, there are processes. So Obama waka bibi, a false. Ko platform now so neko kase machia sign. Menye. Afina police invite you. Menko. And the minimal force. You bet me at you waba. Now the neko courts. That's the process.
Right.
A quick comment. Oh, you want to 30 seconds in person be like
my Eugene,
yes, a minute you been be like.
Yeah, Nana, on this Obama issue, Nana, me menka you cry, young crow for a day, to so brand and I think that we should all tread cautiously. Nana say, we share the constitution, and Nana way, someone of my law, we have found a constitutional imperative. and as a media adwuma no de man na imperative for Jeff o do the call Jeff akosoro na mehwa ade and I kind operative word na media adwuma na akojo Jantuah adwuma ye na no pa bia no eye sha o zeku na asua mra o se sha ye mandamus into media adwuma na ye on sheba na wonya the benefit of the microphone o kasa no atobu kakra
yeah
see o kasa no atobu kakra sometimes na ebufushi wum
yeah
you see ba no atobu kakra Nana had you say, subject to the constitution that consists there shall be no censorship in Ghana. Freedom and independence of the media have a guarantee. But Nana, even the freedom, no, there are responsibilities.
Yeah.
What I say, and now, o kind six, no, o cast, o go be who baby, I would go who fina, corner, copango,
yeah,
Cassano cre. Nana, the second leg in a police free. Near walking, by now, feel go French NDC free. Ah, Nana, by now, go ahead, or my dress will come out. But 8 years ago, near can be no more bongo ideas be. Oliver Bakavoma or no muye ni bino. Yenya Caleb Kuda no muye na kan in their kind. Yenya coach Facebook page, man, and near train will be a kind. Ome defend ye no. And ne, omu nesuno. Satan uti unia de Nesmaraconka. Uti unia na binka. Who's an anomu na ekemuneno. And then so almost our time on no much Krufo do any pabonini, Ahabu ni bien seno, ni trimo ding, the way we didn't be ante and then anomso mu defend it. Yeah, Sanetie. Nibimabo audio be my Wunia JFK Uniano. Or say, and ne, said Mama so be Jemen said, yeah, won't mean defending. Because of our Blikumanov. But in refuge, that's South Sea, no NPP ni. In an your politicians and no fuso just no, be brainy principles. Omomo di ane say yes yenye nka say nti yodium no di akire nana o kan police statement ya branch asem of the back no say oba assistive investigations nana in fact ne lawyer metie no eno kafu akwa o say prior say mu kobu ne dan say ma chene the day prior nana abrante na call police wo
asa
yes ne lawyer no eno kafu akwa o te hint say police no akoe nana wakona bia hu ye ne biewa oh nana eno aba ne yesan hia ne 6 bra ono lawyer semra Nana Makoyese, and the biso na crime they involved, no, and I say there will always be justifications for everything.
Oh, Nadi.
Nana, Miss Trum, na Kroma, me and defend it Trumutrum. Sabe, Trumutrum and pass, be and defend the Kroma. Justification for Bibia, but the Biana make a be Mrs. Standard and I wash and no. Near Woyeno, or co position, no one near the Bejajo. And not the papa. Nana Mranta, no, you know, be and will be defended. Nana, for you to mount a public flight of the Sabe. President Jere, Buternity. And someone in what you know. And not the papa. Oh, prosecutor, President, rent on the friend of Canawoos a day. So no more jail in the 10 years. On so back a cancer, be say, I'm jail in the 10 years. Then no be an say, ye now, manas and young way, and someone in no medino. But I see the process, sometimes one you care for. What's a made the day? But the way I will be custom. Nana man's a minute Benada baby. Missia or cow park wa. Nana, behad your Benada says, oh, I'm crying, who bear when he. Tell some make a do some made the day, but how I'm narrating the thing to you. No, ever mamma, why you way. Ye come on fat. And the police service, no one says, I do and then my government you unpopular. Sadi enkitinkitiwi ene magamenti ya mpoplo obi a wo hwe no wachire no obo nsanya de abrante mkobu ne do ni ad na yeden abrante ni nyane moko wo so na statement on ba o ti so ma twoso mko tuo bi woni fie mo say he's come to assist in investigation men can so be assist investigation he cannot be arrested by the manner of the arrest is the manner of the onya kromfo na ye tu momonefo no ye jana se enya careful nana every responsibility or every right comes with a responsibility. Yenye careful. Enye bibia na yeka. Na baby a wuti se bibia na aka nkoman na bo. Enye bibia na yeka. Na youth no yensua de. E won wanse nana okọ social media abranti abronye. Hwe na san de ode ya Bishop Duncan Williams. E na mama mu nya JF ka ba se no okọ ese ni nketia o. O ti asem okọ kan. O se NPP for do mo nsoma TikTok phone. Okọ ese bi nketia o. Enta de bia meka no. Mo fo mu defend sa ansem fun we. JFK call NDC call on the munim nyansa. To ko catch na me ka wo bi na kam sen ma abo. Also mo nsuma no. Enti nipa na mo pese mo ye to appease them no. O ma so mo nsuma o.
Omo wie nso o mo call ye no JFK ne asedi nketi ankoko.
Sere ye kama.
O ma kwasere.
Na say me see video bi mo e me fam no se JF a. Joyce ba mo tari share Dr. Mamuba na he hag no. Wo a woni adwuma. Uni profession papa bia o de an se Facebook ateni. What is wrong with some of you? Now, not me mount public platform say president will be now. Why? Now, now, so me who baby I would say. You're careful. Oh, social media, use it for positive things. As I for the interview, I'm on here.
Baby.
Yes, we anyway had that click. No, go ahead. Yeah, Frank, I'm going to go school and go baby or one. Now, I said the original minister lesson about me. Master this, PhD, waha, first degree, unehe. Miss Minana, Udia click on Facebook post. Ube come grano and send him boss open Juma. Jeff can no see way. What says he do ye somehow?
Jantuah na wo NPP ni wo kokono.
Nana we nyame amwana se nyame amwana ele bill ne grant wa. Say na yemrem kwa criminal record that be the president. Ano fa meboa. Yemrem wo criminal record. Position bu a yebesuru. Na kunya criminal record. Party na wo kuma no party the chief executive officer say mensoma wo.
Rahim ranking of say law is the law. Anybody making reckless comment against government should be able to face the law. And we don't have a problem. I'm sure so your NDC, but this is our position. Me say, you won't call for align themselves with NDC, and every day they insult virtually everybody against NDC. Every day, but you are happy. Every day you hail those people. They be a mudi atema timidity tribes of watem. And yet it is okay. But you see, the point is that Sawusi will be a Kabibi or MPP new Kotina, no problem. But equally, you will NDC for Omukasa same Hununa, I no dear as I want to.
Oh, Nana, you see, Nana, maybe you remember so but communicate me. Nana, the crew may have to change for Nana Kevin Tilanque number 1. Let's see, you see, another be a make say, ye moving on Nana, ye profession, ye media. Opa, ubedima tem, me salary, a sonte. 20 minutes be a woman. Now you see, young canoe crane tray, Anthony upon an I am remembering. Obian Caso be a consent for your drum say a condemn any man, and your mommy and someone. How do you go in a platform say, President 77 will be president? I mean, and someone, but you see, the process with which you go by, Nana can what is your complaint? Yes, we are dealing 10 years old, and I mean, what is your is the process? Yeah, bongo ideas, be now complaint, and then they will defend it. Yeah, will live back of Voma will be Nana Nancy, girls, you are Felicia Nelson. He fixed the country for no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of us spoke against it. Yenimunana Kasa, Bernard, you would defend it. Forget and say, John Mahama on your president Afibo. NDC wa Bema Fibo. It's just common sense. Sir, I buy Bessa, now Crawford will be a Bibisa, Sani Yanana. Sani Yanana, I am not Nana Kevin Taylor, Nema Wayan Krome, or buy Sana Gun and you'll be the end. One court. So the laws are there. Obianca so be in someone here. Many paninko free. Banana, there's a process. And to just say, your constitutional provision, maybe would you win him? You choboina, and Mudia choboina. But there's a process. You go to the National Media Commission, you write to them. That is the process of the law. And to Mudia Munya, the law is the law now. Nana miss me. Madu point a quadri. Tell necessary for ya. Oh, and a media fire quiet. And a $78 million. For let's cast ya to be a CSS. Nana Daniel Mecca, Jantuah professional Jeremiah. What one I Bible? Jeremiah no offend the wailing prophet. And then the CS also make us. And the media make a be NPP. It's Munkoso. Unfortunately for us, your salary is not determined by John Dramani Mahama. Yeah. My salary is 12 flag star. Timun defend it.
Right. Thank you. Defend lines in the ending como. 03. I remember me catch the MP before and he said, Abain Sisa, Meguswa Yemejuma. Me catch them. And to the be over to be over say, oh, Cassandra will position yam by me. I don't need any Mimisi Kasome into me here position. Anam Kofoka and I will position my intina Kikakem. Unim me. I don't need any government position to survive. I don't need baby anyamia me a dream. Me here Abain Sika. Say Abaya Famime Juma, DCE, regional minister. Sa headache krama me. Me ko MP, me why Debbie. Now wona wo pay adwuma. Wona wo pay adwuma. Wona wo pay adwuma o. Wona ko hospital wontimi ntio. Sebi nyame ahira me ko hospital na problem metimi atua. Sebi e common de me. But who are wuti social media be attack ye say ye ka bia ma no. Wo na ya na wansem ye mmobo because ekoba wo na hia wenye ehia me. I don't need Sanyo man wo na hia. Mahama ba ye. Mahama me sika baboso me so a yetua meka. Se Mahama free so a adwuma me ye yebetua meka. Minyanko retirement to meguso aye adwuma yebetua meka boso me a me ho betome. Me wonwuma ba akum ye nu bi nso wo nchen a metimi aye a me ho betome. But they be na wunya sa akwanya no. Because they be ameka say nyame adom ne ye certificate kakra ye nyei. Anya de e committee me adem na me ko school ni koye dey. Me jai radio e common ne me. De be na where the only thing so be gina social media no aka de e ka no nti ase. O ma okuma wo mo no. O mo se yenso ma wo. Nti ye say so so ani ewu. 0322083581 83582 83583.
Usia ma me hu adwenkyere e wo comment section ho uwie so ane de mu na wa subscribe e de ama ye say any update bia nso etomu a onso sabe ka bi ha ala me de obesi makra bye bye.